Hi there, I am here in Farmingdale Condominiums in Germantown, Maryland with real estate agent extraordinaire Deren Blessman in his brand new listing, which I'm going to ask him to tell us a little bit about. Look at that, how often do you get a wood-burning fireplace in a two-bedroom condo? Deren, tell me a little bit about your new listing and when it's coming on the market and how much it is.
Hello everybody. Yes, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium, 18141 Chalet Drive in Germantown, the Farmingdale condominiums. Again, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 full baths, and also you have an in-unit laundry room. We also have a fireplace in this unit as well with your own private balcony. Let me take you for a little tour around the place and see what's going on. So, here you have your entrance. You have a closet here. This would be considered your living room area here with the fireplace, private balcony. Back here behind me is our dining room area with our ceiling fan. You come back through this way here. We have our kitchen, galley kitchen, really nice galley kitchen, and also an eat-in area here. This place has also been freshly painted. As you can see, we have really nice original hardwood floors as well. Here is our laundry room. Come back here, you have your hall bath.
Looks like a nice size linen closet as well.
Yes, there's a linen closet there. Here's your second bedroom with brand new carpet as well, freshly painted again. Nice size closet.
With mirror doors, which gives an illusion of a little bigger room.
Yes. Come back here. Here's your master bedroom with brand new carpet, again freshly painted throughout. You have a nice size walk-in closet.
Wow, that's actually very generous.
And then you have your bathroom.
Look at that, a private sink out front, or a
Sink
separate
outside.
sink.
Mm-hmm.
So you can
Okay.
have 2 activities happening there.
We should be coming on the on the market this weekend. We're going to come on the market at about 175. I'm looking to have an open house done on Sunday from 1 to 4.
So people can come by and take a look at the condo. You'll be here to show it to them, and then they should just contact you if they have any other showing interests.
Absolutely. You can contact me at 240-793-2794 or email me at dblessman@kw.com. I am an equal opportunity realtor, equal opportunity housing realtor. Okay? So that's it.
Excellent. Thank you, Deren. Look forward to selling it quickly.